Hello, I'm Richard Dark. I'm one of the members of the Dark family that's been at Coleridge Farm here since 1947 when my grandfather arrived here. We're running just over 1,000 acres at the moment, of which 300 acres is rented. Main aspect of our business is the 430 dairy cows that we run in a spring and autumn calving block. We're fairly low input, trying to get as much milk from grazed grass as we can. If that's from beginning of February to the middle of November, that's an ideal situation. At Coleridge, we've used quite a lot of the capital grants to improve our water runoff and environmental status. One of the options under the capital grants scheme is the concrete yard renewal. In front of us we have an example of a concrete yard that we are going to renew in the future under our 3-year scheme. In the winter, when we get heavy rainfall, soiled and silty water will flow down here, end up on the road, and then eventually make its way to the stream and on to Kingsbridge Estuary or Slapton Ley, which are the two catchments that we find ourselves in. We plan to put in a soakaway and a silt trap at the bottom to make sure that the clean water then gets captured and diverted straight to the stream. To my right we have an area of concrete that has been done under a scheme 5 years ago now. We've considerably cleaned up the whole area. The tractors are driving over obviously solid unbroken concrete, and the water itself is diverted straight into a clean water drain and then straight down to the stream itself without the added bits of silt and mud. So here's an example of our beef enterprise. We've got Angus, Limousins and Belgian Blue cattle that we're just about to finish. Under the catchment sensitive grants application, we were able to get a roofing area over a dung store, which you can see just behind me. This has worked out really well. We are saving water from going into the dung store, and it is right adjacent to all of our beef and young stock buildings, so that we can put all the dung in there over the winter. As you can see, the beef animals are feeding out through the feed fence onto the silage and their total mixed ration. Unfortunately, because the silage is resting onto a concreted area, any rainfall that falls onto it is deemed to be dirty water. A project in the future for us would be to put a 3-foot cantilever roof over the silage area, and then collect the water, and that would go down to a clean drain. This is an example of the fencing option that we've used under the capital grant system. We've fenced off all of the streams and the waterways at Coleridge. We've got water troughs now. We're stopping the cattle from going into the streams, and we're hopefully cleaning up all of the silty mess that goes down the streams. This has made a huge difference to our water quality, and we also know exactly where the cattle are in the fields as well, so there's a double bonus for us. It's made a huge difference.